Hello, happy morning, everyone. Hello, are you audible to me?
Yes.
Happy
Pretty
morning.
clear, Pravinji. Happy morning, Pravinji. How are you?
Good morning.
Fine, sir. Very good. Actually, today this session was very surprising for me. My daughters insisted me to start this session, Zoom session. Actually, I was not prepared. They encouraged me, so I started. So
That's an excellent move, Pravinji. Yeah.
Let's start. Mr. Pritesh has asked about Reliance Industries. So I will share the chart of Reliance Industries. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
This is about Reliance Industries. Please mute everyone. Reliance Industries is given a breakout and having a resistance at 2240. Surpassing this level, this will fetch to 2315, and next level will be 2369. 2369 is the all-time high, 52 weeks high. Surpassing this level, it may go to 1 second. Surpassing this level will go to 2400 odd, and the support is at Reliance having support at 2085. Next support is 2000. If anyone get at 2000 or 2085, can buy the stock at these levels. Next question. बेटा वो नेक्स्ट ऊपरी वाला स्क्रीन कैसे जाना? नहीं वो वाला जूम वाला स्क्रीन ये है क्या? Welcome Dinesh ji. Welcome Yatin ji.
Morning, Praveen.
Good morning, sir. This was an unexpected schedule. Even though this is first time we are regularizing from next time. So any questions? Next questions. Reliance Industries I have answered now. Next question, please raise the hand. Tell me, sir. I'll unmute yourself, sir.
I want to know about BB.
Pardon me, sir. Ask to unmute.
I want to know about BBTC.
Yeah, sir. I will let you know, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
ये इसको मिनिमाइज करना है कैसे आएगा? Can you see the screen, sir?
Yeah.
BPTG is in uptrend, sir, right now. Support is major support is at 1278. This yellow line, can you find? This is the support level. Surpassing, sustaining above 1388, you will make new highs about near about 1479. And good support is placed at 1195 is a good support. 1195 is a very awesome support. You can buy if a stock comes there, you can accumulate there. Because since many times, many weeks, it not been moved upper ways. From last 15 days only, it is showing some momentum.
The second target you have given is 1482, I think.
Yeah, it definitely will come, sir. This should
Yes.
surpass 1385. It should close about this level. Closing about 1385, it will reach our target of 1485.
Yeah.
Definitely it will come. As MMDC is moving nowadays, this stock is gaining momentum from last 25th of May. Definitely it will go higher levels. Next question, sir. Tata Motors. कहाँ है बेटा वो लेवल कैसा है ना वो? Tata Motors, the screen is here now. See, Tata Motors has given a breakout last one second. On 23rd March 21, it made a high, and after this time, 9th June, it has surpassed the previous high. Sustaining above 332 is a good buying range. Sustaining above fetch to 367. Next target is 381. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, it's clear,
Next
sir.
question. Next question, please.
Praveerji, what about SW Solar?
Yes, Salah, 1 second, sir. Sir, SW Solar has made a double bottom after 20th of December 24, and this time also made the recent low of 2nd of June. Now the trend is upwards, sustaining above 244 and 245 level. It will go to 268 first. 268 having a resistance because we can see a gap here. Can you see the gap here? Hello? This gap
Yes, I
at
can. I'm sorry. I just
268 level.
unmuted.
So at 268 levels, the gap is there. You can see a gap here. Surpassing this level 268, you can see upper levels of 290 and 327. And if suppose the stock is available at 228 or 219, 220, you can grab the stock. It is a buying opportunity.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Next question, sir.
Sir, Praveen sir, I am Muthukumar.
Please, sir.
Sir, Muthukumar.
How are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
Fine, fine, fine. Fine, sir.
Good morning,
Fine, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I want to know about
Any
the
questions that tell
IGL,
me,
sir.
sir?
IGL has, sir,
IGL, yeah, one of my favorite
IGL,
stocks is
I think it is,
IGL.
that is that last 1.5 months keep on trading in range, sir.
Sir, last week only we gave the call on IGL, last 10 days back.
Yeah.
This is the chart of IGL. And it is, the trend is upward, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second. ये भी दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में. You can see this IGL here.
Yes,
Buy
yes,
call
sir.
number 579 given on 24/5. Just 10 days back, we are given a call at 502. The first target of 544. 544 is almost I think it has achieved the target of first target yesterday. It has made our first
Yes,
target
sir,
yesterday itself. And the second target is 573, 74 almost. 574.
Okay.
This level, low line already marked. It is 574. This level we expected to by June end. Before this June end, 24th of June or 29th June, we can see 574. And if stock is of suppose come down at 503 or 520, it is a buying opportunity. It is the prospectus of this stock is very good, and it will go up in the coming days. Next question, sir.
Parveenji, what is your opinion about Wabag?
Pardon me, sir.
Wabag, Vatek Wabag.
Wabag. Okay. 1 second, sir. The stock is not been added to my this one. I will add the stock. Oh, the stock was 16% of last session. Wow. Vatek Wabag, right, sir?
Yes.
In what you are seeing is the right stock, right, no, sir?
Yes, this is stock only.
Yeah. Oh, 975 was high. 152 low is 84 rupees. Because this stock was just now added, I have to check the levels. 305 is a good buy, sir.
305.
305 is a good buy, first buying at 305 and 258 having as a good support. And see, you can see from this level 258 levels is the bounce back again here.
Yeah.
It has taken 2-3 times support at 258. 258 is an awesome support. And first buying will be at this 303. Now the stock is trading at 353. Sustaining about this, I think 360 having a resistance level, sir.
Okay.
362 to 364, it touched that level and came down to 353. It should close above 364, 363 for next upward movement. If it close about this level, this will surpass to 450 levels. And this what about this quarterly results also quite attractive. It's a very good stock, sir. It is momentum is getting momentum. Before this is 323 also on buying is there. First buy 323, second buying at 305. Support is at 258. Okay, sir. Next question, sir.
Right.
Sir, HDFC AMC, sir.
Yeah, very. HDFC AMC now at current rate is 3093
Correct, sir.
and 302 is 0 will be a first buy, sir. 3020. Last 10 days, 15 days back only we are given call on HDFC AMC. One
Okay.
second, I will search here. On 5th of May, we are given a call on HDFC AMC at 2728 for target of
Okay.
2920 and second target of 3112. And
Okay.
I think 3112 is on the way and it has been achieved, sir. 3112 has achieved on 8th of June. You see, many stocks we
Okay.
cannot track it simultaneously. Some stock get missing, showing posting on the group.
Mm.
And 8th of June is the second target achieved, and next buying will be at 3017 is the next buying, sir.
Okay, sir.
And
So your
next
long-term
buying,
targets are good, sir.
prospectus of this company is very good, sir. There is no doubt. We cannot challenge the quality of the stock. 3165 surpassing 3165, we can see a new high of 3363.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Buy on dip stock. At any rate, you can buy on dips. There is no
Sure,
need
sir.
to
Thank
doubt
you, sir.
this stock.
Oh.
Next stock, sir.
What's your view on Sundaram Clayton?
Sundaram Clayton, sir. Actually, it's not my radar. I want to add this stock. Just a second, sir. Sundaram Clayton is right now 3,585 rupees. Recently, it made a double top at 3,953. First buying will be at 3,430, sir. 3,430. You can
Okay.
find this yellow line. This will be the first buying,
Yeah.
and it is just
Okay.
150 away from the first buying. So you can accumulate the stock, and good support you can find at 3,053.
Okay.
3,053 and long.
Okay, sir.
It has been made
Thank you.
all-time high of 6,320. Okay, sir. Next stock, sir. Next question, please.
Sir, Nifty. Good morning, sir. This is
Good morning, sir.
Das
Tell
here.
me, sir. Next question.
Sir, Nifty. Yeah,
Nifty.
sir, Nifty, what is the outlook? Yes, sir.
Nifty, sir, it is a buy on
Okay.
dip, sir. Now, 16,000 is looking very good, and it will achieve by before 24th of June.
Buying at dips at what level? You suggest?
You can see this is a weekly chart. Week on week, you can see green candles. From consistent 4 weeks, we are seeing this green candle. So 16,000 is very near target. So it will make 16,000 before of 24th of June. It is a buy on dip, sir. And first support is at
Entry at what level?
15,655.
Okay,
Pardon me, sir?
655, right? Sir, buy at
Yeah,
655, right?
So like you can find it is support level, sir.
Okay, sir.
And next support is at 563.
Okay,
560. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Next question, please.
Parvinji, what about the sector-wise? Any particular sector?
Sector wise.
Any particular
Sir,
sector
is
which we can start accumulating now?
Recently, now FMCG looks very attractive, sir.
Okay.
FMCG and insurance sector, we can focus on it. Pharma has almost moved, it is come out to the saturation point. Because last 2 months it has been rallying very good. And next steel sector almost it's been rallied for last 6 months. And 2-3 months, after 2-3 months, we can re-enter in steel sector. Right now, insurance sector and FMCG looks very good. You can go, look at Hindustan Lever. It is just 2 weeks back only we are given a call on Hindustan Lever. You can see that it is in breakout level. You can see this is the breakout level. They are given the breakout, and first target will be 2450. And last week only we are given a call on HUL. See, we can buy call number 574 given on 20th May for first target of 2. Target 2568.
पता नहीं हैं ऊपर बंद कर दिया
Yeah, sir. We can buy at 23454, and this is actually buying range. You can buy now also, no problem. And support is at 3. Please unmute, sir. Deepak ji, please unmute.
Mute.
Next question, sir.
Praveen ji, upcoming IPO के बारे में can you throw some light on the IPOs, 5 IPOs which are upcoming?
Sir, I will check this IPO and post in the group, sir. Because in the chart we cannot see IPO. And I heard about this IPO is coming, Dodla Dairy. And Dodla Dairy, I think, see, already we have same two companies, Parag Milk and Prabhat Dairy. Both are not doing good, and I think this IPO may also get not so much attractive by premium. Dodla Dairy, I think it will go flop also. And remaining the IPO, I'll check it and post it on the group, sir.
Thank you, sir.
प्रवीण जी भेल कैसा रहेगा भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल?
Or BHEL, BHEL.
हाँ जी.
BHEL current price is 76 rupees 20 paisa right now. And it is at 52 weeks high level now. You can accumulate the stock at 70 half or 71. And 71 is a first buying, and for target of 78. And next target will be 83. Surpassing 83, we can see 89 is next turn, 94. The stock should close about 78 for the upward movement, sir. Target, the movement is upward right now.
Okay. Thank you, Praveen ji.
Okay, sir.
प्रवीण जी, कल्पतरु पावर के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
Kalpatru Power, sir, I have to add stock. It's not been radar. Kalpatru. The stock currently at 435 rupees. And from last. Sir, 405 is the first buying, sir. $405, surpassing this 405, we can, first buy is 405, surpassing 450 levels, we can see upward towards 499, 500 level.
What will be the exit level of the stock?
Exit level is 500, sir, 499.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
First exit will be 499.
Okay.
Because
Thank you, sir.
you can see two resistance here, one resistance here and another resistance here. So we may find a resistance at 499 level.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And the first buying will be at 408. Next question,
Praveen
sir.
sir, what about JP Power?
JP Power.
Yes.
Yeah. JP Power is on 52 week high. First buying will be at 4.25. It has the stock can move at move to 6.5 because nowadays all powers are getting momentum, and all power stocks which have been lying for many years now it's been wake up. Next buying will be at 4.25. Hello.
Okay, Praveen, sir, and what is the target? Like,
Target is 6.5. First target is 6.5.
okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Next question, please. Next. कितने जना है देखना.
Sir, Novartis India, sir.
Novartis. Sir, take a break of 10 minutes, sir. I have to take a breakfast. Within 5 minutes to 10 minutes, I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay,
Just
Praveen bhai.
5 minutes, I'll come back.
Okay, Praveen ji, thanks.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, Praveen bhai.
कॉफी नहीं बेच रही हूँ, दूध
Start
बेच रही हूँ
video.
अपना बेटा।
Hello everyone, I am back.
Hello, Praveen bhai. Praveen bhai, any view on Exide Industries?
Excited.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, trend is upward, sir. And having a support at 187 levels. In fact, we are given a call at 187 level. I think I remember. 1 second, I'll check it. Sorry. See, at 186 levels, we are given a buy call on 12.4.
Okay,
And
ji.
that is at the same level right now, and surpassing, closing above 190 and 200 level, you can see upward towards 222 and 240.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hi, sir. Shilpa Pharma.
Shilpa. It is at 575 level, right? This is the stock you are talking about, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, 520 having a support level, sir, for first buying. 520 level is the first buying, should be the first buying, and nearby target is 620, first target. Closing about this level, you can see 695 and 700 rupees. And because this is not tracking, I don't know about this quarterly result and everything. After many time, it has been run up now.
Okay, sir.
Next stock, sir.
DLF.
Pardon me, sir.
DLF.
ELF.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir, tell me your name and location, sir, because I'm seeing the chart. I cannot just can have audio. I can hear your voice.
My name is Kenneth.
From, sir?
Bangalore.
Oh, okay, sir. The DLF right now is at 310 rupees. Last 15 days, 20 days back, we are given a call on DLF at 248. I think this levels only we are given a call. 1 second, let me check on DLF. Yeah, sir. On last month, the last day of March, we had given a call on DLF at 279 level for target of 302, and second target of the first target been achieved on the 3rd of June, and the next target is 321, and 321 it is very near target. Yesterday was the result of DLF. I think what happened about the result, I don't know. And from the last quarter results, the result has not been attractive, sir. And the first buying will be at 290 levels, 290, 292. Target is 330. Next question, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Pravinji, how about Majesco? It is now in lower circuits.
Yeah, from last 5 days is one upper circuit. Last 2 days only, last day only, after hitting a high of 117, it has come down downwards, down the circuit.
Praveen ji, namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Ashok Punglia.
Jai Jinendra, sir.
Jai Jinendra, sir. Very good initiative.
Sir, Majesco. Thank you, sir. Sir, Majesco closing above 123 level, you can see upper level towards 167 or 200 level, sir. It is a very good stock to accumulate. Any downtrend down towards 100 or 90 levels, you can accumulate, sir. Next stock, sir. In fact, we have given a buy call on Majesco 10 days back at 70 levels. One second,
Okay.
let me check. See this, you can see this line, buy call number 583, given on 26th of May at 76 rupees. First target of 87 for gain of 14.9% has been achieved on 76. It's first target made on 7th of June and second target of 95 made on 9th of June. And this stock can be accumulated at 95 levels, sir. Recently, it has been tied up with is on Infosys. It is in the rental business. Very good. Next stock, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Next stock, please.
DHFL का क्या हुआ प्रवीण जी अभी कुछ? DHFL का क्या हुआ प्रवीण जी अभी कुछ?
DHFL डिलीट हो गया कल.
तो जीरो हो गया बस?
या जीरो हो गया सर DHFL.
जो भी मेरे पास है वो से भी मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है उसका रिटर्न्स.
कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा सर, कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा.
अच्छा. ओके.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर.
Sir, how about IPC?
Sir, your good name and your introduction, sir, please.
Sir, my name is Jairam.
Location, sir?
From Chennai, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, ITC having a support of 205, 206. It is actually this stock is suitable for long-term investor, not for traders. Because this company is focusing on dividend only, they are giving dividend. That's all. From last December 2020 to June, last 6 months, it is in trading in this box, same box range. Charging nahi hai beta. Can you see there?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Surpassing this closing above this yellow line 219 means 220, You can see upper levels to 240 levels, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Recently, it has been announced dividend of 5 rupees.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
And dividend date is 10th of June. Means yesterday, day before yesterday, I think. You can see a D. This is a dividend date.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, welcome, sir. Next talk, sir.
Sir, Hero Motocorp, sir.
Hero Motocorp. Sir, your good name, sir?
Sir, Muthukumar from Chennai, Porur.
Yeah. From your voice only, I was having doubt that you are Muthukumar. Sir, good buying seen at 2920.
Yes. Okay, sir.
First buying you can buy at 2940. Closing above 3100, we can see 3400 levels. Very good stock to accumulate at 2930, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next stock, sir.
Hi, Harish from Chennai.
Tell me, sir.
Alok Industries.
So from last 2 days, it is making upper circuit of 20%.
Yes.
But what is cooking, we are not sure about it. See, you can see two big candles, 20% even. Surpassing 33 level, we can see 58, 44 and 58 levels, sir. And
Okay, sir.
first buy will be at 24.5. Around 15-20 days back, we are given to our pro members to buy at the 18 rupees level, 18.8 and 19 rupees this stock. Now I don't know whether they are booked or not.
Praveen, so what about, I'm Sonam from Bangalore. What about Reliance Infra and Reliance Power, R Power and R Infra?
1 second, I will check it. It's not in my radar. Only Orcom I can find. Whether it is 1 second, I will add it. Reliance Infra, no, right now it is at 83 rupees. The stock is run up from last 1 month. It is gaining momentum. You want to buy or you want to exit point?
Both. Do I buy more or do I exit right now?
First buying will be at 61 levels. Now it is 83. If you want to buy before that one, it's 71. You can buy it for 71.
Okay, and at what point can I sell these?
Yeah, exit that is 125 levels.
Okay.
Next is Reliance. Another who asked Reliance Power, no? R Power.
Yes, R Power.
R Power right now is 12.5. All Anil Ambani stocks have been running up. I don't know why. What is there behind it? Even our Reliance Infra, Reliance Capital, Reliance Infrastructure, and this Reliance Power. Reliance Power having a resistance at 23.25. And first buying will be at first buying will be at 9 rupees.
Okay. And
Okay, 9
exit?
rupees you can buy it here.
Sorry,
Praveen,
could
by
you
water base.
One by one, sir, please, sir. I am not yet finished this Reliance Power once again. And
Yeah, sir,
exit point is at 23.35.
okay.
Something is cooking in all Anil Ambani stocks, so we can any dips we can buy all stock.
Nandri.
Next stock, sir, please.
Training from Chennai, water base.
Water base. Water base is at 128.65 right now, sir. And this quarterly results. Sir, you want buying range or selling range, sir?
Selling range.
Sir, it has resistance at 135 level, sir. I think day before today it touched 135 and came down to 128 levels. And surpassing this 135 level, you can see 152.
Thank you.
152 will go, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome, sir. Next question, sir. बेटा किसको
प्रवीण जी इस बार में यस बैंक ले सकते हैं क्या?
Yes Bank, sir. Yes Bank, you have to wait, sir.
एवरेज करने के लिए कुछ
If you are
बहुत सारे
holding,
स्टॉक पड़े हैं.
sir, hold अगर आपके पास पड़ा है तो आप एवरेज कर सकते हैं, सर.
इस भाव में कर सकते हैं क्या? मतलब 30 का एवरेज, 35 का एवरेज है.
यस बैंक कर सकते हैं, सर. आपको पास 14 रुपया 14.10 आया तो आप ले सकते हैं, सर.
ले सकते हैं ना? ओके ओके. क्यों तो at higher level I bought lot of stocks, so I want
Sir,
to just
unless this company post 2-3 quarters good profit, we cannot expect a good move. ये यही रेंज में मतलब 18, 15, 12 ऐसे रेंज में घूमता रहेगा.
तो क्या लेवल तक नीचे आए तो we can buy?
Sir, this level is 12.9 is the good. 12.9.
12.9. 12.9. Sir, Renuka Sugar.
Renuka Sugar. Sir, this S Bank, I'll finish it. S Bank. In 5 years, I'm expecting
Yes,
this 200 plus in 5 years.
5 years क्या?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
214 रुपए आएगा.
तो इन्वेस्ट करने में फायदा ही है ना?
हाँ सर, 5 years में 214 आएगा. आप लिख के रख लो. आप
लिख के रख दो. ठीक है, लिख के रख देता हूँ. मेरे पास आना पड़ेगा मेरे को, नहीं तो बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा.
पक्का आएगा सर. आप इधर 1 लाख शेयर लेके रख लो सर.
है प्रवीण जी.
Renuka Sugar.
How is your health?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Now, actually, from last 24 hours, my right shoulder has been frozen. I think I cannot lift my hand, right hand.
Oh, okay, okay. Take care.
Problem going on, sir. I don't know what is this.
Take care, Praveen ji.
sugar stock has been rising from last 2-3 months because the government recently announced something in sugar. They are getting a byproduct called ethanol, because the ethanol has been byproduct of petroleum byproduct. So by producing this ethanol, the crude import levels getting down. So government is supporting this ethanol. So this last all sugar stock you can see from last 1 or 2 months, it's been run up more than double or 3 times. So any downfall we can accumulate these sugar stocks. But how long the government will keep this policy, I don't know. And Renuka is first buying at 17.6. It will come to 17.6 in 1 month, 15 days or 1 month. It will come back to 17.6. Next question, sir. बेटे सबको देखना तो कैसे देखना है?
इसका टारगेट क्या होगा रेणुका शुगर का?
रेणुका शुगर का स्टॉक सर,
When to buy and when to exit?
सर अभी बाइंग का आपको बोला 1 मिनट. रेणुका शुगर एट 17.5 में बाई कर सकते सर आप.
Okay.
And target is see वो उसका चार्ट बराबर. ये 120, 120 levels have been gone for previously 2009. Sir, first target is 29 point, almost 30 rupees, sir. 32 rupees is the first target.
Okay. वही हम लोग 9 o'clock की ऑर्डर डाल देते तो भी ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट होता नहीं है. वॉल्यूम तो हो रहा है लेकिन अपना ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Sir, you place AMO order previous day. Previous day आप ऑर्डर मार्केट ऑर्डर डाल दो आप.
आज डाल सकते हैं क्या? जैसे
या अभी भी डाल सकते हैं आप ऑर्डर. AMO ऑर्डर आफ्टर मार्केट ऑर्डर बोल के एक बॉक्स रहेगा, उसको टिक करना आप. एंड बाइंग आप रेट इससे तो 2 रुपये 5% ऊपर डाल के रखो आप. इसका सर्किट लेवल चेक करो. 5% है तो 5% ऊपर डाल के रखो रेट. अगर 5% आया तो वो रेट में आ जाएगा आपको. 5% ऊपर डाल के रखते हैं आप. अगर 3% ऊपर खुलता है तो 3% रेट ऊपर में आ जाएगा आपको माल.
ओके. लेकिन वही ट्राई किया, आफ्टर मार्केट ऑर्डर भी लग नहीं रहा है. मतलब
लगेगा सर. कोई कोई स्टॉक ब्रोकर फैसिलिटी देता है, कोई कोई नहीं देता सर.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
वेलकम वेलकम.
प्रवीण भाई,
इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से क्या लेना चाहिए?
पढ़ा नहीं सर.
बजाज
इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से क्या स्टॉक लेना चाहिए?
इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से सर अभी फोकस ऑन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर सर. इंश्योरेंस एंड FMCG.
एनी पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक?
State and state SBI Life and in FMCG in Hindustan Liver.
Hindustan Liver. Thank you sir.
Okay, welcome sir.
Praveen bhai, update about Bajaj Finance. Last week it had a rally.
Sir, other please mute sir. Bajaj Finance.
Yes, bhai. Yes, bhai.
Sir, your good name Balaji, sir. Sir, are you Mr. Balaji?
Wow, Baba. Yes, Balaji only.
Sir, first buying is 5539. You can see this yellow line.
Okay.
This 5540 is the first buying, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This stock will come to 5540 in a 15 days or 1 month. It will come. Surely it will come.
Oh. Okay. In June series, will it come?
No, I don't know about June series, but this level you can see in another 15 days or 1 month.
Okay. Okay.
553940 will be the first buying.
Okay. Now it is in 6,000, 6,200.
Yeah, 6120, sir.
Okay. So we have to wait and enter at the lower level.
Yeah, sir. Many good stocks are available, sir. Why you are behind this Bajaj Finance? I don't know it.
No.
I
was just watching for a. Yeah.
I accumulated at 4,600 levels, but very soon I exited at 4,800 itself. Instead of this Bajaj Finance.
Yeah. We have been talking.
Instead of you chase Bajaj Finance, I recommend a stock Naukri. You know, Info Edge, Naukri. You can go for this one. Naukri is 4,688. It is almost 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees less than Bajaj Finance. And within 3 months, you can see at 5,000, 5,500 levels.
Oh, okay. Naukri, yeah.
You can see this chart, you know, daily chart you can see here. All lower lows making. It is making lower lows.
Okay.
So the trend is up and surpassing this 5,111. It will go to 5,500.
Oh, thank you, bhai. Thank you. All the best. Thank you,
sir. Next question, sir.
Sir, Purvesh Almal from Delhi. Please, can you let us know Whirlpool of India?
Whirlpool, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. 1 second. Please mute, sir. Sir, Whirlpool first buying is at 2127. Urmesh, can you hear me? Urmesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first buying is at 2127, sir. And target is first target is 2310 or 2315. इसको देखना बेटा, सबको देखना था, स्टॉक से अभी सबको देख सकते हो ना? या सर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Yeah, tell me, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Praveen ji.
Yes, sir.
IndusInd Bank.
IndusInd Bank. Sir, your name and location, sir.
Bhaskar ji. Coimbatore.
Yeah, okay, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Share करना कैसे करना? Screen. Yeah. IndusInd Bank at 1015 right now. Sir, this
Yes.
stock want to accumulate at 960 level, sir. 960 levels you can accumulate. Now it is 1,015 rupees.
Okay, sir.
It will come to
Target
1,000. First target is 1116. Before that 1070, if surpassing 1070, it will go to 1116 and 1187. You can see at this rate 1187.
Okay.
Praveen sir, what about Force Motor?
Force Motors. Yeah, 1 month back we are given a call on Force Motors. Yeah, 1 second. See, you can see buy call number 516 given on 23rd of April. At 1079, first target 1084, second target 1288. I think all the target been achieved. 1288. Yeah, 1288 is also achieved. And first buying will be at the 1184, 74. First buying will be at 1174, and you can hold for a target of 1400 levels. And support is 1150 is a good support. Yeah, I'll take a break of 5 minutes. Hello. I will take a break of 5 minutes, please.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm back, sir.
Sir, Mutuma, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Aravind Fashion, sir.
Arvind Fashion.
And the Blue Star.
Yeah, one by one, sir. Please, 1 second. Let me finish Arvind Fashion first. स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है क्या? Muthu sir.
Yes, sir.
You are holding the stock or you want to buy, sir?
I want to buy, sir.
Buy at 130 level, sir.
Okay.
130 level for the first target of 190 level. 190. Before that 182 and next is 190 level, sir.
Okay.
And everybody can buy this stock. It is very good stock.
Yes.
Very good price.
Yes, sir. That.
And next level is 123.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Identifying a good stock.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Blue Star.
Sir, what about the Blue Star, sir?
Yeah, I'm checking, sir. Sir, Blue Star is at 823 levels.
Okay.
Sir, you are holding it or you want exit target?
I am holding, sir.
You are holding, sir. 811 is a good support, sir.
Okay.
First target is 920.
Okay. Okay, sir.
920 is having resistance. Before that, one small resistance is 887.
Okay, sir.
Passing 887, you can see 920 levels.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next question, please.
Good morning, sir. This is Srini.
Good morning, sir. Tell me, sir.
What about the Zydus, sir? Zydus Wellness.
It does wellness.
And can you give an outline of how the Nifty Pharma will go, sir? Is there any consolidations in near term?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Zydus Wellness. This is the stock, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the current price is 1047. 2047.
Yeah, 2047. I have bought it at. Yeah, I have averaged it around 2071.
Okay, sir.
My average price is 2071.
Yeah. Sir, if what quantity you having, sir?
Minimal only, sir. 100 quantity, sir.
Sir, stock may fall to 1951. May fall.
1951. Okay.
1951
Okay.
may fall. If this rate comes, you can average it here.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
And target recently it made a new target of 2303.
Okay.
2299. Yeah.
Okay.
You can hold it, sir, because all pharma companies are moving up.
Okay.
And another 1 to 2 years, no downfall for all pharma.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Another pharma company. Next question, please.
Hello, sir. I'm Ankit from Chennai.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, I have query about Ratnamani Metals.
Ratnamani at 2022 currently, and it is in metal stock. Sir, this stock may correct up to 1,800 level, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you want to accumulate, you can accumulate at 1810 level. And right now,
Okay,
it
sir.
is at all-time high and made a recent high of. Recent high of 1 second. You cannot see this.
Hello, Mr. Praveen.
2100, it made high of 2100 on 3rd of June.
Okay, sir.
So new levels you have to wait, sir. Nearby support is 1943.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Mr. Praveen, good morning. I'm
Thank
Dr. Surinder Arora.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
I am watching your channel very carefully every time, Now, I have got two questions. Number one is about the Panama Petro.
Panama Petro, okay, sir.
This, I bought at 130 and I want to exit from this stock now because I have one lot. Just tell me whether it will go up or I should hold or I should quit.
Yeah, I will check it, sir. The Panama Petro at 229 level right now.
Yes,
And
correct, sir.
last
Correct.
session it made a high of 242.
Right, sir. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, day before yesterday,
Yes, sir. On Friday, last session it made 52 high.
Yes.
Sir, you can hold this stock for 250 level, sir.
Okay.
Definitely
Okay.
will go
Okay,
250
thank you.
because it has been completing this cup and handle pattern. You can see this the pattern is cup and handle pattern. So
Okay.
it has been completed. Now you can see 250 levels in days to come.
Okay. Another question is about Max Healthcare.
Max Healthcare.
Yes. My buying is at 256 level. Should I hold or sell it out?
1 second, sir. I'll check it, sir. I don't have this stock. Sir, this stock is at 255 level right now. And it is again stock which made a 52 high in last session.
Right, sir. Right.
Sir, you can keep it, sir, this stock for long run, sir.
Okay. Up to
Because
which level?
nowadays, hospitals and pharmaceuticals only moving upward. So you can any dip at 220 levels, you can average it here more. 218, 218 levels.
Okay. Any level, can you tell me which level I can see in this stock?
Sir, because it is 1 second. Sir, I think this stock is listed last year itself, August 2.
Yes, sir.
So we cannot get much of the target levels, but you can expect a good target.
So I can hold it for 6 months at least.
Yeah, definitely, sir. For in 6 months, it will cross the 300 plus.
Okay, very right, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, boss.
Welcome, sir. Sir, we will end the session in another next 8 minutes.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
I'm speaking Kushal, sir. And I have brought it Bandhan Bank at 300 approximately. So what is the price I can sell it?
Yeah, one second, sir. Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank current price is to 319. Surpassing 329, closing above 329, 329. You can see 350 levels. Before that, 340 having some small hurdle.
Okay.
And long-term target, you can see here this 390 levels. In 3 to 4 months, you can see
Long term
390.
means 390. Okay. And one more, sir. I have brought a National Aluminium.
Pardon me?
National Aluminium.
Nalco, yeah.
I have brought it on a higher rate at approximately 80, I think so.
Okay.
So what is the price I can expect?
Please unmute, sir.
నేనేం మాట్లాడాను అన్నం కొట్టింది తాగేరా
ఎట్లుండింది నాదరా
कहाँ है इधर? शेयर गया? ये बंद करो यार. National Aluminium at 72 right now.
Yeah, I have brought it to approximately 80 rupees price.
Yeah, 1 second. National Aluminium 2-3 days back only we are given a buy call. 1 second. Sorry. Yes, you can see a buy call number 610.
Okay.
We are given at 72.
Approximate.
72
Okay.
And first target is 80 rupees and second target is 89 rupees.
Okay. And one more, sir. I have brought it. DCB Bank.
DCB.
Yeah. Bank. Yesterday, just it has been run to approximately 104 to 110, 111, I think so.
We also given a call on DCB Bank. It target over.
It's 111, right?
Yeah, you can hold for 120.
Up to
First target is 120 and
Okay.
passing 127 level, you can see new high.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
First buying is at 102. Your next buying should be at 106.
Okay.
You want to buy back it, you can.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
How about C8, sir?
C8.
C8 tires.
Yeah, sir. C8 tire at 1,368.
Yes, sir. I am having 1,450. I have. I bought it long back.
So you want exit target or you want to add more?
I want to exit target, sir. I kept it too long.
Sir, first exit at 1452, 1450.
Okay, sir.
Because you can see here, resistance you can find here. See, 1, 2, 3 resistance is there.
Okay.
So
So 1452.
Yeah, or 1450 also we can do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
First residence at 1423, 1424. Surpassing 1424, you can see 1450.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, another 3 minutes, sir. Last one question.
RBL बैंक का क्या है प्रवीण जी?
RBL Bank. RBL Bank at 2118 right now. Sir, first buying at 211, 212.
Okay.
So first buying and first target. We are also given a call on your RBL Bank. And exit at 235, sir. 235 having some resistance here.
अच्छा.
236, 237, we can hold it.
Okay. So we should buy at 211.
Yeah, first buying at this level, 212, 211 we can buy. Suppose it comes at 198, you can grab it.
Okay. Okay, Praveen ji, very beautiful, very nice. You're organizing it in a very, very beautiful way.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
You had a lot of valuable time you spent.
Yes. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you,
Praveen.
Praveen,
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Don't leave Twitter.
I will not leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. We get only free tips only from Twitter. So don't
Yeah,
leave,
I am
please.
giving daily one call on Twitter. You can follow my
I
LinkedIn
know.
link.
Yes. But I don't have space, so I couldn't follow you.
I'm giving 60 calls a month for the paid calls members for charging at 7,500 rupees. So,
Any discount, sir? Special discount today offer.
sir, I am giving 60 calls a month for paid customers at the rate of 7,500
Yes, sir.
per
I know
month.
that.
On Twitter, I am giving free call for the promotion basis, sir.
Okay, sir.
One call a day when Twitter.
Yeah, I'm following, sir, and I'm buying, keep buying. And one more doubt, after reaching the target, should we retain the share or we should sell it off and come back?
Sir, you retain the profit money and remaining capital amount you can sell it.
Okay, so we
Example,
get after reaching the target, we should sell.
Example,
No,
if
after
you are
reaching
buying
the
a
target, we
stock,
should sell this.
let me finish, sir. If you are buying 1 lakh rupees worth of shares, you are getting 1 lakh 10,000. You leave the 10,000 and remaining 1 lakh you sell it.
Okay, like that.
Okay,
Yeah, so that we can accumulate the wealth.
Yeah, sir.
I can understand.
Thank you,
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Recording stop. Recording. Yeah.